Welcome to our complete guide on saving Instagram stories for future use. Let's dive into why these stories are essential. First, let's explore how to save Instagram stories directly. It's simple and quick. Did you know that Instagram has an archive feature? It automatically saves your stories for future access. Here's a step-by-step guide to download those stories straight to your device. For more functionality, we can explore third-party apps that enhance story saving. To make the most out of your saved stories, here are some tips for managing and organizing them. Let's see how you can create engaging story highlights from your saved stories. It's essential to understand Instagram's time limits on story visibility. Here's what you need to know. If you're facing issues while saving stories, let's troubleshoot some common problems. Thanks for watching. With these tips, managing your Instagram stories will be a breeze.